Okay, welcome to this tutorial on how to change some memory or RAM on a late MacBook Pro. I think this is a 2009 model. I think it's still relevant to the 2011. Shut the computer down, plug all the wires out. All we have to do then is turn it over, and you will see I think there are about 11 screws that you have to undo, and you will need a very tiny screwdriver. It's a Phillips head. This is actually a flat screw head screwdriver, as in because I can't find a smaller Phillips. So all we have to do is just unscrew them without trying to scratch. And they're pretty small, so I guess the idea would be to try and keep them in a sort of a safe place so you don't lose them. They're quite stiff. Okay, then I guess you lift, take the lid off, so here is the RAM. It's supposed to touch something metal, get rid of the static electricity. I think it's just flip that out and just take these old RAMs out. The question is, how do you get to the bottom one? Same. Tricky. Just 4 gig. What I'm going to do is insert it to the bottom one, and there you go. I've left enough space for another 4 if I need it. Get all the dust out. And then put all the screws back in. Turn it back over. Let's see. Truth. The computer fires up. You've done your job. If it doesn't, it means that the RAM is not seated properly, and you have to take the screws all out again.